Good morning. How are you, dear students? Hope you all are doing good. Let's start our class. Today, inshallah, we are going to read a very nice story about mouse, deer, and the crocodile. It's in literature book, chapter 2, page number 13. Please open your books on page number 13. Okay, so the story is about the mouse, deer, and the crocodile. Okay, how many animals are there? There are two animals, the crocodile, the wild animal that lives in a river and eats meat. The mouse deer, or the second animal, is the mouse deer, which lives in a forest and eats grass. Let's start reading the story. One day, mouse deer went to the river. He was hungry. He could see leaves and fruit on the other side of the river. So why did the mouse deer went to the river? He went there because he was hungry. So he could see some leaves and fruit to eat it. Okay? In the river was a crocodile. The crocodile was hungry too. He wanted to eat mouse deer. When the crocodile saw the little mouse deer, he asked, "Do you want to get to the other side of the river? I can help you." Mouse deer did not want the crocodile to help him. "Crocodile will not help me," he said to himself. "He will eat me." So mouse deer said, "The king wants me to count how many crocodiles there are in the river." Did the king actually want her to count the crocodiles in the river? No. But the mouse deer is very clever. She wants to avoid the danger or the attacks or the attack from the crocodile, or to avoid the crocodile attacking her. Okay, so mouse deer said, "The king wants me to count how many crocodiles there are in the river. Make a line across the river, then I can count how many crocodiles there are." So all the crocodiles made a line across the river. Mouse deer jumped on the first crocodile. As he jumped, mouse deer said, "One." Then he jumped on the next crocodile. As he jumped, mouse deer said, "Two." Then he jumped on the next crocodile, and the next, and the next. As he jumped, he said, "Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When he jumped on the last crocodile, he said, 10. By now, he was on the other side of the river. "How many of us are there?" asked Crocodile. 10, said Mouse deer. "And they're all like you, foolish." Why did she say, or why did he say that? Because the crocodiles believed her. The mouse deer was very clever. Okay, so what's the moral lesson of the story? What do you think? The moral lesson of the story that always be smart and clever and try to solve problems wisely. You must think before doing anything. Okay? Okay, dear students. Thank you. Goodbye.
Let's explain the difficult words. We have 5 words. Number 1, river. River. River is a noun, means a natural wide flow of fresh water across the land into the sea, a lake or another river. Number 2 is leaves. Leaves. Leaves is plural of leaf. Leaf means any of the flat, usually green parts of a plant that are joined at one end to the stem or branch. Number 3 is count. Count. Count is verb, means to say numbers one after the other in order, or to calculate the number of people or things in a group. Number 4 is across. Across. Sometimes, or it's a preposition, sometimes comes as an adverb. It means from one side to the other of something which or with clear limits, such as an area of land, a road or a river. The last one is foolish. Foolish. Foolish is an adjective, means stupid or unwise. You understand the meaning of the words? Okay, please study them or write them into your copy. Thank you.